Yes, let's freaking go. Okay, you know what? This chest right here doesn't have what I want. Doesn't have what I need. Never mind. Ooh. Push me, do it. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Does he see me? I don't think he sees me. I can definitely reach, right? I don't know why the second shot didn't hit. This guy has no shield. He hit me. Dead. Oh my god, that damage from there. How much longer are you gonna be streaming? Another like hour and a little bit. I can't miss my shot right now. Where are you? What the heck? Oh yeah. 150 to the head. Jeez, I'm loving it. Whoa, whoa, I took my hand off my keyboard for a second. Wow, 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 you don't miss those. Are we good? Jeez, that was scary. Alright, he's going up. I'll just grab these slices. What is happening here? This guy's hitting every shot with that thing, man. He's definitely making that freaking heavy shotgun look really, really good. Jeez, man. And I'm gonna eat this. Rifferini. A llama, yeah. I think I'm gonna pass on the llama though. Thank you though. Love to see that. I love to see that. Llama, llama, llama. I'm gonna grab that. Here, I'll do this. There we go. Oh wow, that was very scary what I just did. But you know what? I want to fight. Oh, I definitely shouldn't go in here. I see him running to me. Oh, that was so risky what I just did. My windows! Oh, really? Oh, that was not the play, but you know what? I'll take it. That was not the play I should have done right there, but I'll take it. Oh, man. I think I hit that headshot. All right, buddy. This guy's like 1 HP. Nice. wasn't sure if my shotgun was even reloaded there. I don't think. Jesus. Oh, man. I love that. That shotgun's so satisfying. I love it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is the game, yeah. That was amazing. Imagine I hit the headshot. Oh my gosh. See, that's why I like the heavy shotgun is I played it smart right there. I didn't commit to it because I know I could have died. I got out of that box. That was scary though. That was very scary. It makes me play smarter. I like that. Man, oh man, oh man. Two other players are manning. Oh my god, what a shot. Okay, now I'm just like hitting every shot with this heavy. I don't know what the heck I'm doing here. This is great. This is great though. I love it. I love it. Alright, well. Last player remaining. Is he trying to 1v1? Wait, what was he doing? What the heck? Maybe he was just trying to build a base. Huh? Bro, I'm not even kidding. I wasn't sure if it was in a 1v1 or not. Let's go! Bro, what the heck? I wasn't sure if he was trying to 1v1. I was gonna jump on like the 1v1 thing and just like build the thing and just run ahead. Would have been a shred. Would have freaking been probably a build fight. Yo, Tyler, thank you for the gift of sub, Tyler. Thank you, Tyler.